Hey guys, what is up? Today we are speaking on Lordstown Motors' special announcement that they made with Camping World just a few days ago. This news and what these two companies are partnering to do, in my opinion, will bring the whole EV market to a new level. Stay tuned for this recent news and what I think about this partnership. Real quick, if you can give this video an early thumbs up, subscribe if you aren't already, and turn on those post notifications to be notified every time I post a new video. I would very much appreciate it so much. And remember, I am not a financial advisor. I'm not telling you how or where to invest your money. I'm only here to post my own thoughts and opinions with any stocks I may do a coverage of. With that being said, let's jump right into the video. Okay, you guys, here we are. You may have heard, or maybe you haven't. Lordstown Motors is developing an electric RV with Camping World, which I believe is absolutely game-changing for the EV market, which I will get more into in this video. And ahead of this news, on Tuesday, December 15th, Lordstown did gain 9%, while Lordstown bulls and investors were waiting for this announcement. As you can see, Lordstown Motors was trading for almost $20 a share in the morning on December 15th of this news. And just throughout early afternoon, it was still, around $20. And in the after hours, that's where it jumped to $20.71 a share heading into this announcement. And today, December 17th, they are trading for $19.03 and they are down almost 2%. And as you can see, it looks like Lordstown has been in a downtrend, a steady downtrend for the past month. In mid-November, it was trading for almost $25 a share and just has been steadily going down. But with this news that just came out a few days ago, I believe, in my opinion, we can see Ride Stock going on a nice uptrend because of the exciting details in this partnership and what this could mean for their endurance EV pickup truck and just Lordstown as a whole. Now, heading back into the news, Lordstown and Camping World plan to expand their partnership by building an electric RV on the Endurance's basic platform. Details remain few and far between, and it sounds like the project is at the embryonic stage of development. The two partners will also develop a lithium-ion battery pack capable of replacing the gasoline-powered generator found in many RVs and travel trailers currently on the market. And they want to put Good Sam charging stations at Camping World locations around the nation to ensure travelers stay juiced up. And more details pertaining to the electric RV will be released in early 2021. Really exciting news, you guys. This will really change the game for the electric vehicle market, like I mentioned, and also for the RV market itself. And the global recreational vehicle market by revenue is expected to grow at a compound annual growth rate of over 7% during the period of 2019 to 2025. This market is to reach $42 billion in 2020 and is projected to grow on account of the increasing demand for camping and outdoor recreational activities in the millennial population, especially in the US. In the US, the number of active camp households increased by 1.4 million in 2018. The growing number of active campers is contributing to the demand for RVs. The commercial usage of RVs is on the rise, the rental facilities are boosting the growth of the market, and the growth in peer-to-peer rental services is also influencing the popularity among millennials, which are increasingly seeking rental services. And speaking of millennials, the ERV will be affordable for this particular generation, which Camping World Chairman and CEO Marcus Lemonis called the future of the RV industry during the joint press conference on Tuesday. And going back to the RV market and the growth for this industry, RVs were one of the few ways to have a safe vacation during the COVID-19 pandemic. The market for mobile travel homes experienced a surge in 2020. That excitement may carry over for the next few years as vaccines roll out and international air travel continues to face restrictions. It will likely take a while for Lordstown Motors and Camping World to actually develop an electric RV, but given the increasing appetite for electric vehicles, it makes sense to start exploring how that tech could transform RVs now. Which I completely agree, the appetite for electric vehicles is absolutely insane and is only going to go up from here. Now, the timeline for this electric RV, Lemonis and Burns hope to have a prototype of an electrified road travel vehicle by summer 2021, the first electrified travel trailer and fifth wheel sometime in 2021, and an electrified model by 2022. Now we're going to head on to what this partnership means for Lordstown Motors' endurance EV pickup truck. Now, in exchange for this partnership with Lordstown Motors, Camping World is going to give Lordstown Motors access to its nationwide network of 170 service centers for repairs and charging stations, which would be a strong selling point for both Lordstown's fleet and commercial customers. And in my opinion, this would really give Lordstown Motors a great pace against competition. And by leveraging Camping World's growing footprint of over 170 service and collision centers across the United States, Lordstown Motors customers are expected to enjoy one of the most comprehensive EV support systems ever designed. And this is what Lordstown Motors CEO Steve Burns said. Lordstown's partnership with Camping World will help us ensure that our fleet customers have the highest possible time of their vehicles. On top of that, working with Marcus and his team to bring EV solutions to the RV market is quite exciting, and I'm excited about the first to market opportunities this partnership affords us. Lordstown Motors is expected to lead the integration of their technology and service needs into the Camping World infrastructure, including the development of an elaborate parts network. In addition to the more than 170 Camping World service centers that are expected to be equipped to handle Lordstown Motors vehicles, Lordstown Motors is also rolling out independently owned and operated service centers in high-density areas. This is absolutely exciting news, you guys. Lordstown is really doing something here with Camping World. This completely changes everything, in my opinion, for Lordstown and opens a huge door of opportunity. And speaking of opportunity, because of the fact that Camping World would be servicing the Endurance EV pickup trucks, they could possibly even sell the trucks in the future, which would be another huge thing. Now, still currently, I do not own any shares in Lordstown Motors like I mentioned in my last video, because there is risk, which is why I'm highly speculating this company. Looking at this article posted today on Seeking Alpha about Lordstown, critical challenges remain. Despite not selling any vehicles yet, Lordstown already trades at a market cap of over $3 billion, and its stock will likely continue to trade at such exorbitant levels in the foreseeable future, as the EV field continues to gain traction. So far, Lordstown hasn't released its first earnings report as a public company since its stock began trading only in late October, and they've only issued a small business update last month and talked about progress that has been made so far. However, as of today, Lordstown works on the construction of a 700,000 square foot battery pack facility. In addition, it continues to test Endurance, which is currently in the Alpha 2 stage. The production of the beta series of Endurance trucks should start in early 2021, and the company plans to develop 40 to 50 of these prototypes for testing and customer feedback. So as we can see, there is progress going on with this. So now we're going to read about the biggest challenge for Lordstown, which would be to prove to everyone that it can successfully scale the production of Endurance since it has no experience of doing so and its product is only in the alpha stage of the development. In addition, Lordstown will need to deliver results fast in order to have a fighting chance to gain a sizable position in the EV pickup market. And like I spoke about competition and Lordstown being at great pace against them, Ford Motors is developing an electric version of the F-150, and this will be released in 2022. And this could be a problem with competing with Ford because Ford has been around for a very long time, considering that Ford has more than enough capabilities and experience of scaling the production of its vehicles. It will be much easier for a Detroit-based automaker to quickly enter the EV pickup market. But however, with this recent news with Camping World and Lordstown, we shall see how this all plays out in the next year. But there you have it, you guys. I didn't want to leave out the risk because it's extremely important to know the risk of investing in any company in general. Well, that brings us towards the ending of this video, you guys. I hope you all enjoyed this video as much as I did filming it for you all. Please comment down below what you think this partnership could mean for Lordstown Motors and their space in the EV market and in the camping world, literally. Your thoughts are always appreciated. Please don't forget to like, subscribe if you aren't already, and turn on those post notifications to be notified every time I post a new video. I appreciate the support so much. Thank you guys for watching. Until next time.